We're gonna unpack the Elgato mini mount. We start out with the quick start guide. Here is the pole, the microphone pole. Seems like a normal screw thread. You can remove the stop part, which means that the thread is gonna be a little bit bigger. Change this around from direction. Seems like the stick itself is a little bit thinner than I would expect it to be. Get connected. Let's see what's inside. Cable clips, 2 Titan screws, and 2 screws. We have a block, which doesn't do anything. A phone holder. Okay, this is heavy. And then here we have the base. You can see that we can attach it with these 2 screws. These are the 2 screws that we got with it. And there's this ridge here. Don't know if you can see it, but there's a ridge here. And this ridge you can put your phone in or a tablet or something while you're doing your podcast or while you're just talking to your microphone. The box is empty now. On the bottom of this ball we also have 2 openings. Okay, so I'm screwing the first one in just a little bit. Don't screw it in too far because the second one needs to go in, and otherwise you can't turn this around anymore and you won't get it in. If you confirmed that it's screwed in correctly, we can both tighten them up. Now it's stable. We got the cable clips. I'm just gonna go put them around. If you want to use the phone holder, we can attach it either with this point or the point on the back. It's basically modular because you can put them in here. And you can start recording TikToks or something, or if you're like, oh, it needs to go a little bit higher, you can higher it, lower it. You can also use it for microphones, for lighting, or for basically anything, cameras, because it has like this modular screw.